Welcome back to Crossroads. We're on location here at the Fly and Cruise In at the Marion Airport. I have with me John Walker, and he is the organizational president of the American Huey 369. Now these machines are incredible. Kind of tell me the history behind these.
Well, the first prototype flew in 1956, and they were built for the Army initially, but all branches of service had the Huey in their inventory in time. And of course they were most known for being the helicopter that went to Vietnam, over 5,000 of them, and their first ones arrived there in 1962, and the last one flew out in 1975. And without those Hueys, 58,287 names are on the wall, the Vietnam Veteran Wall, mostly men and some ladies. But without the Huey, getting them in and getting them out and getting them to the surgical units within that golden hour, there'd be 10 times that number.
Wow, that's incredible. And so you were mentioning earlier that you like to bring these out here to honor the veterans. Kind of explain that.
Yes, well, the Fly-In Cruise-In event, this is our second time they've asked us back here. First time was in 2011. And we brought both aircraft that we've restored in the last 9 seasons, and we put one on static display so everybody can sit in it and take photographs and learn about it and educate us, the veterans that were there with them. Then also we offer what's called a membership flight. We don't sell rides, it's a membership flight. Our members are actually the owners of the organization, and for $100 they get to take a flight that's worth much, much more. And we're approaching 10,000 members in our organization in the last 9 seasons of flying. 10,000
members, and why do you think so many people just love coming and being a part of something like this?
Well, it's a very unique thing to get to fly on something that only flew in the military. And for a lot of the gentlemen that are here, they're veterans, they get an opportunity to share what they did 40 years ago with their wife or their grandchildren or their friends, their brothers and sisters. And so a lot of them, it's on their bucket list to fly one more time and do what they did when they were a teenager.
Perfect. Well, I don't know about you, John, but I'm ready to take a flight for myself now.
Well, we'll make that happen.